everyone, welcome to Flexgigzz. After sign up and completed your Flexer profile, now you are ready to create your first gigs. You can go to the dashboard and put your cursor on your profile picture. Go to Manage Service and click Post a Service. Then you can put your gig's title and also price of your gigs. You must select the service delivery so the client will know how long you can finish your work. If your gigs is downloadable, like design graphic or short video, you can make it as a downloadable service. You can add add-on service, click Add New, and then you fill the description of your additional services. Make sure you write the clear enough description to avoid misunderstanding. For the main gigs, you have to select Service Categorize. If your gigs is not listed yet, or you cannot find your service category, you can ask help from Flexgigzz online support. Then, you must select Service Response Time to let the clients know how long you will respond to the employer's queries. After that, you choose your language and your English level. This description box is the main point where you have to write a unique, clear, appealing, creative, and persuasive description of your gigs or service. Make sure you include these three main points on the description. First, type of your service and what makes it important. Second, what is included in your service. And last, what your clients need to submit. If you have a video that related with your service on your blog or social media account, you can put the URL link here. Then, upload the picture of your work or project. Make sure you upload an eye-catching picture. That's right. The last thing, don't forget to update your location, and of course, click Save and Update. So now your first gig is ready and published. Happy freelancing!